We've all been there. You're washing dishes after a big meal. Suddenly the water starts to pool around your hands. Food scraps are floating everywhere. That sinking feeling hits you. Another clogged drain. Clogged drains are a pain. They're messy, smelly, and can even be expensive to fix. But there's a simple solution you can implement today. Most clogs are caused by food scraps. They build up over time in your pipes. This leads to slow drainage and eventually a complete blockage. Using a garbage disposal isn't always the answer. It can actually make the problem worse. Tiny food particles can get stuck further down the line, leading to more clogs. But don't worry, I've got a simple solution for you. It's called the drain bag hack, and it's about to change the way you think about kitchen cleanup. The drain bag hack is a game changer. It's a simple, cost-effective way to prevent clogged drains and keep your kitchen clean. The best part? You probably already have everything you need right at home. It's all about creating a barrier. This barrier catches food scraps before they reach your pipes. No more clogs, no more mess, just easy breezy kitchen cleanup. This DIY solution is perfect for renters and homeowners alike. It's easy to install and remove, leaving no damage behind. Plus, it's incredibly affordable. You can save money on expensive drain cleaners and plumber visits. Ready to get started? Here's what you'll need. Don't worry, you won't need to make a trip to the hardware store. We're using common household items you likely already have. A small trash can. Choose one that fits comfortably under your sink. A roll of biodegradable trash bags. Choose a size that fits your trash can snugly. Scissors for customizing your drain bag. That's it. See, I told you it was simple. Now that you've gathered your materials, let's get this drain bag set up. Now comes the fun part, putting it all together. Follow these easy steps to transform your kitchen sink. 1. Prepare your trash can. Clean and dry your trash can thoroughly. This will prevent any lingering odors. 2. Line your trash can with a biodegradable trash bag. Make sure the bag is secure and won't slip down inside the can. 3. Position under the sink. Place the lined trash can directly under your kitchen sink. Ensure it's easily accessible for emptying later. 4. Start using your sink. That's it. Now you can scrape food scraps directly into the bag. See, I told you it was easy. You now have a dedicated system for collecting food scraps before they clog your drain. Section 5. Keeping it clean. Maintenance tips for your DIY drain bag. Like any good system, your drain bag needs a little TLC to keep it running smoothly. Here are a few maintenance tips. Empty regularly. Don't let the bag get too full. Empty it every day or two, depending on your household's needs. Rinse and dry. Periodically rinse and dry your trash can to prevent any odors from developing. Use baking soda. Sprinkle a little baking soda in the bottom of the can to absorb moisture and keep it smelling fresh. Following these simple tips will keep your drain bag system clean, hygienic, and odor-free. Want to take your drain bag hack to the next level? Here are a few upgrade ideas. Instead of a regular trash can, use a dedicated compost bin with a lid for better odor control. For added leak protection, use 2 bags, one inside the other. Install a hook or a small shelf under your sink to hang the bag for easier access. Remember, this is your DIY project. Feel free to customize and adapt the system to fit your kitchen and your needs. Did you know you can use your drain bag system to start composting? Simply collect your food scraps in the bag and then transfer them to a compost bin or pile. Composting is a fantastic way to reduce household waste and create nutrient-rich soil for your garden. It's a win-win for you and the environment. By composting, you're not just preventing clogged drains, you're also reducing your environmental impact. This simple drain bag hack offers a ton of benefits. Say goodbye to slow drainage and messy backups. No more expensive drain cleaners or plumber visits. Easily collect food scraps for composting. Keeps your sink area clean and odor-free. Anyone can do it with common household items. This isn't just a cleaning hack, it's a lifestyle change. It's about taking pride in your home and making choices that benefit both your wallet and the environment. So what are you waiting for? Head to your kitchen, grab a trash can and a roll of biodegradable bags and try the drain bag hack today. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Remember, a small change can make a big impact. Start small, start simple. and start today. Your kitchen and the planet will thank you for it.